Officer in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern Hill County in central Texas, southwestern Ellis County in north central Texas until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bloom, or 15 miles northwest of Hillsboro, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hillsboro, Whitney, Italy, Itasca, Bloom, Covington, Carl's Corner, Lake Whitney State Park, and Milford. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.